watching Lenovo gaming laptop unboxing. This is a gaming laptop. Well, if you want to take note how long it should be around the size of an arm. So I'm gonna cut.
Okay.
So here we are is the knife. We're gonna pop it in the sticker.
Ooh, it's done already.
And so this.
What you're supposed to take out first? You take out the black box first.
Yep.
It's what, baby?
Oh, I wanna open that.
You don't want to.
Alright. Okay, back to the laptop.
Back to the laptop. We are going to lift it up.
Oh, look at it.
Look at that.
Wow, look at the box.
The box is so stylish.
Yep. And big. Well, it's been
You know, the padding is so nice, you know. Ooh, so cool.
yeah. You see, here's the chair. Alright, you're gonna take it out. Show you. So.
Stand up. It's coming out. And what the heck is that?
Alright. You see it? Alright.
Wow, look at the shield.
Look at that.
Look at that.
It's soft.
It's soft and it's shiny.
Yep.
It's quite smooth.
Yep.
Look
And
at
this.
the back, baby. Look at the back. Every panel you see.
Wow, look at the back. You got the cables for you labeled and here's the.
Yes,
Yeah.
you have USB PD power charger. You have your Ethernet port. You have your, so we call this USB 3 power, and two USB 3 ports. And this is USB C port for power.
This is when you use this air.
This is the jet turbine exhaust.
Yes.
Right?
So this is the air which comes out. Like every time you on the one starts to.
Exhaust.
Yes,
It blows the
exhaust.
air out. Yeah.
Yes. So in the side there is also some of the
Yeah.
exhaust and the cables. And I wonder what's this. I mean, this was the one I'm trying.
This one, air intake also. You get up.
This one.
Yes.
This one.
Go. See a nice display here?
And let's look at the keyboard.
Yeah, let's look at the keyboard.
I'm not patient anymore. I just want to see all this. You can see the word Legion.
Oh, you seeing Legion here?
Yep. And Legion on.
Okay.
Okay, there's no charge.
There's no charge? Let me charge it up.
Alright. So this is V. And this is C. Okay, it's the same keyboard, so just press
Does it
for
move?
long.
No? Doesn't work?
A, F, N, Q, this one.
What does it say?
How do I know? Yep. This.
I think you need to connect the power first before getting power on.
You have to be careful of the screen.
Don't touch the screen, please.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
No, I'm telling you. I'm telling everyone.
You need to tell everyone.
Alright, don't touch the screen. Let us spoil the screen. I'm gonna get it for you. So we saw that this and I'm gonna on. So you're gonna again type for this is gonna go through. So if it's new, please take it out or else you'll see.
It's connected. Let's turn on the power.
And on.
Now let's press and hold.
So yay! It on. Did you see the light?
Yeah, there's no RGB lights for this model. This is standard. What's
It
more
looks like
interesting is come to the
glass.
back. Come to the back. Look at the back. Look at the back.
Wow! Look at this.
The Y logo is there. It's lit up so everybody knows it's a Legion laptop.
Yeah. It's a true one. Alright, I'm gonna speak English, right?
Yes, English, please.
Yeah.